Arjuna very well knows that in the karma yoga, in the rituals, there are two main defects. You have to precautions to be taken. You must avoid these two dangers in karma yoga. Number one, in all schemes of work and productivity, there is a certain sequence in which you have to do it, then only the result will come. If the sequence is changed, nothing will come out of it. Prepare the ground, remove the weeds, water it, and when the land is wet, you sow the seeds and wait until it grows, and when it is fully come up, then harvest it. This is sequence. Supposing you first water it, then sow the seeds, then plough it, then forget to remove the weeds. What will be harvesting will be beautiful weeds, healthy weeds, because the land is tilted and then the fertilizer is put, and therefore the weeds will grow beautifully. You will be harvesting because the sequence you have broken. Another thing is pratyavaya. Pratyavaya means if an action is not done exactly as been said in the Shastra, it can rebound upon it. Instead of bringing happiness and blessings to you, it can get cursed and disturbing or destroy. Now, when I say about the ritual, you say that it's all superstition. In everywhere it is so. Nowadays, youngsters are always making small, manageable bombs in their own homes in the basement. Why? Revolution. My enemies I must destroy. For that, ready-made instruction booklets are always available. The various material necessary are always available. There is a market for it. And instructions are also exhaustively given. Now, you read the instruction and you are making it. And connect now the red and the blue wires together. According to the instruction. But then you thought that there is no blue wire here. Never mind. The red and the red. After all, two were to be connected, isn't it? You connect not according to the instruction, but according to your convenience you do it. Sometimes that bomb, which is so powerful, can burst in your own lap. When the bomb bursts in your lap, there is no time for you even to say sorry. I didn't mean it. You can't say that. By that time you have become pieces on the walls. Whatever walls that are still living. Not only you suffer, but the people living in the house also may suffer. Nay, somebody going along the road innocently, he may get a ramble on the head and he doesn't know where it came from. Think. The more powerful the thing that you are doing, invoking, the more careful you must be. You must implicitly obey nature's law. Obedience to law is no questioning your authority or your independence. To know the law is wisdom, knowledge, and to live up to it is called wisdom. And you get benefited. Law I know, but then I don't care. Suffer then. Think. So abhikrama, the pratyavaya is, if the ritual or the karma is not properly done, instead of it bringing blessings to you, it can very often bring calamity to yourself. it is not only in ritual but in everywhere the same. The more powerful the thing that you are invoking, the more careful you must be.